So I've mentioned this before, but there's this 8.6 year cycle times a multiplier, and it's interesting to see how events that are historically similar repeat throughout the centuries, actually. We have here a chart of the 1973-1974 panic in the United States stock market, specifically looking at the Dow, which lost about 45% of its value over 23 months. Now, what was going on during that period of time was an oil shock related to conflict in Iran. We had a crash in a small group of stocks known as the Nifty 50, which is reminiscent of the mag stocks that have dominated the market trend for the last few years. And then we had inflation, which was very high and disruptive to the economy, in addition to the oil embargo. And so it was just a very tumultuous period of time for the country, economically, very much in stagflation mode, recession conditions, but in inflation elevated, so technically more of a stagflationary environment. But the result was a shift in capital from the private sector, looking for safety as people lost confidence in the future. So again, history repeats, but not exactly. Looking at the risk of a 2 year decline into 2028 before the shift in capital flows brings it back up again. Thanks for listening.